Hey Joe, it's Mark over at Prime Motors Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine on this beautiful day. I wanted to give you a little walk around on this 2016 E350 sedan that we took in. This is the beautiful silver with the black interior. The particular owner that traded this in was actually in the car business and took extremely nice care of the vehicle. It has a good history. Great service records, you'll notice on the Carfax report. So they took good care of maintaining this vehicle. You notice it does have what they call the Sport package, which gives it the really nice lines, sort of an aggressive feel to it. Now this is the last year, 2016, of the V6 engine, which proven itself over the years, and a bulletproof engine that goes and goes. The year after this, they went to a 4-cylinder, so it's sort of a last chance to grab that engine in this particular style. And the body changed in 17. It also went to a rounder type style, so this really has the old classic straight lines of yesteryear. Really nice cues from Mercedes-Benz past. Of course, this is the 4MATIC, which gives you the intelligent four-wheel drive system for driving in all conditions. All right, so let's walk around and we'll show you the inside of the vehicle. Excellent, so now you've got your black leather interior. This vehicle was equipped with the Premium 1 package, power window sunshade, navigation system, power folding mirrors, split folding rear seats. It was also equipped with the lighting package, which gives you adaptive Highbeam Assist and full LED headlamps. It's equipped with a keyless go system, electronic trunk closer, and also has the lane tracking package, which automatically helps keep you within the marked lanes. And if that wasn't enough, you've also got the beautiful black headliner and the upgraded Harman Kardon Logic 7 surround system. Nice package, nice car, very comfortable. You'll be moving up from your C-Class, so it's going to give you more space on the inside and a more luxurious drive because it's got the extended wheelbase. Beautiful. Well, thank you for this watching this quick little video walk around, and I look forward to seeing you soon and showing you and driving you in this beautiful vehicle. I'm Mark Watson, Prime Motors Mercedes-Benz, Scarborough, Maine.